Don't.
Do it again.
It just happens all by itself. Maybe the hiccups are gone. Embarrassing.
It's from the salsa?
I don't mean to. It just happened.
That's from the habanero salsa?
Yes.
What do you